Hello children. Let's learn about the keyboard special key chapter 4. So in the previous classes you have already learned about the keyboard. Before we learn about the new keys of the keyboard, let's do a quick recap of what we have learned in the previous classes. Let's have a quick recap of keyboard. So till now we have learned that keyboard is an input device. All right. The small buttons on the keyboard are known as keys. Keyboard is used to type words, numbers and special symbols. Okay, keyboard has 104 keys. So, alphabet keys and number keys. Alphabet keys, there are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. They are from A to Z. They are used to type letters and words. Number keys, numeric keys, they are used to type numbers. It has 10 numbers from 0 to 9. After learning about the alphabet keys and the number keys, let's learn about the special keys present on the keyboard. There are different special keys present on the keyboard to perform specific tasks. Every keys have a specific task to do. That's why they are known as special keys. Okay. A keyboard has some special keys to other than the alphanumeric keys. Okay, on this keyboard you can see a few special key mark. Students, let's start from the left hand side. The caps lock key marked in red. At the bottom, spacebar key marked in blue. Then you have a set of arrow key. Above the arrow key are enter key. Okay, there are two enter keys present on the keyboard. Then you have a delete key marked in orange. A backspace key marked in pink. Then you have a special symbol present above the number key marked in purple. So let's learn about the spacebar key. If this is my keyboard, can you see the key at the bottom row in the spacebar? Let's learn about it. There is one spacebar on the keyboard. It is the longest key of the keyboard. This key is used to give space between words, numbers, and letters. So, what is the function of spacebar? That we use spacebar to give a space between two words. Okay, students, let's learn about the next point. Enter keys. Okay, there are two enter keys on the keyboard. The enter key is used to move the next line while typing. Okay, it used to move the cursor to a new means next line. It has a symbol like this. Now come to the next point, caps lock key. There is only one caps lock key on the keyboard. It is like a switch. We have to switch on, we have to switch it on to write the letter in capital. Once switched off, we can type in small letters. So, what is the function of caps lock key? As we all know that we have only one set of the alphabet keys on the keyboard and we have to use this one set to type in capital as well as type in the lowercase. So if you want to type in capital means capital letters, we have to switch on this key. So once I press on this key, I will get a light on it. I will be able to type in capital. So that is the function of caps lock key. So students, I hope you learned about the spacebar key and enter key and caps lock key. Spacebar key, enter key and caps lock key we have completed. So we will talk about the next points in next class. Okay students, keep study. Thank you.